How to make a romantic origami rose. That's what we're going to do today. I'm Bruce Gemmell, co-founder of Art Science Complex, member of several origami groups, including Origami USA and the San Diego Origami Group. Let's get started. Once you divide your paper into four, what you're going to do is you're going to take your four corners, you're going to bring them in towards the center. Once you do that, and you have your other 4 points, you bring those towards the center. Once again, taking the points, bringing them in towards the center. You can continue to do this operation till your eyes go out on you. I'm going to go to 3 and I'm going to stop. At this point now, we start to fold back. So taking this point from the center, we fold it out towards the edge. Once we establish that, and we've established that point, we fold that back to touch that point. Once we've done that, we continue to open up the center of our rose. And this will be from the pieces that we pre-folded before, until eventually we get back down to our original piece of paper, and there we have Origami Rose. That was how to make a romantic origami rose. Now, I'm Bruce Gemmell. We'll see you soon.